Long-distance moves. How to prepare for a cross-country summer move. How to plan the perfect cross-country summer move. Planning a long-distance relocation may be difficult, especially during the summer months when demand for moving services is at its highest. Starting early allows you to avoid a last-minute panic and make all required arrangements ahead of time. Hiring Best Miami Movers guarantees that your cross-country relocation will be handled by specialists that value the safety and security of your belongings. By strategically arranging your relocation, you may save money while also ensuring that Best Miami Movers are accessible to help. Best Miami Movers offers skilled packing services to ensure that your valuables are safely and properly packed for the long voyage ahead. If you're traveling a long distance, you should prepare your car for the journey. Whether you're driving your own automobile or having it moved, moving throughout the summer requires dealing with extreme heat. It is crucial to keep cool and hydrated throughout the process. When traveling great distances, security comes first. Best Miami Movers provides secure transportation services to ensure the protection of your possessions. Maintain contact with the moving company throughout the process to verify that everything is on track. Preparing for a long-distance summer relocation involves meticulous preparation, organization, and the appropriate assistance. From effective packing tactics to vehicle preparation and secure transportation, Best Miami Movers can handle every element of your move, leaving you to concentrate on settling into your new home. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.